Hello students, how are you today? Today again we are in physics lab and our aim is today to perform an activity that is to make a electromagnets. Okay? In this one activity we require a material and the material is that a battery or a cell, a soft iron piece, a insulated copper wire and a key. Okay? So diagrammatical representation of this circuit is like this. We have this one battery, a key. Key is used to make the circuit switch on or off purpose. From the battery we will battery will provide the current in the circuit. This is battery positive terminal, negative terminal, and will start moving along this directions. And we have here a copper wire bound over a soft iron rail. And the number of turns of copper wire wound on a soft iron rail is a total number of turns is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 number of turns. Now the question is that what will happen when the current will pass through this one wire? When the current will pass through this number of turns of wires, then magnetic field will set up. And this magnetic field will make the soft iron piece into piece of magnet. And this piece of iron nail will behave as a piece of magnet and it will have two poles, north pole and south pole, similar as the piece of magnet. And this iron nail will behave as a magnet as long as the current will pass through this one circuit. If the circuit is switched on, this iron nail will behave as a simple piece of iron nail and it will lose the property of a magnet. So, the process in which we will make a soft iron pieces into a piece of magnet is called electromagnets. Okay. So, next point is that the strength of this magnetic field can be increased or can be decreased by increasing the strength of current, by increasing the number of turns, okay, and by using the soft iron materials. Okay. So, we will provide you more informations that how it works. Okay, so let's perform now activity. Hello students, so let's perform the activity that how to make electromagnet. To make electromagnet, we require a piece of iron, okay, it may be a nail, okay, and we require also a piece of wire, piece of copper wire, approximately length is half a meter. We will wound this one wire on this iron nail in this way. Look at this, how we wound this one in this way. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11. So we have number of turns of this one wire. If the number of turn is maximum current will pass through this one iron nail and the effect of magnetism is also maximum. So, affect this magnetic flux and magnetic field which is passed through this one iron nail depends on strength of current and the number of turns. More the strength of current, more the strength of magnetic field, more the number of turns, more the strength of magnetic field. So, in this way, we have now made is electromagnet. Okay. In the similar way, we have done this one. Look at this. I have already made this one electromagnet. We have a long nail, a iron nail, on which we have approximately 50 number of turns. How many turns? Approximately 50. Okay, now its one end is connected to the positive terminal of the battery eliminator, another terminal is connected to the negative terminal, and we have set this one as 2 voltage. If the voltage is more, the more the current will pass through this one iron nail. This is a switch for current off and off, on and off purpose. So let's start now this one activity. As we have these iron nail. Okay, we have this iron nail. As I switched on, the current will start moving from battery positive terminal to the negative terminal through this one number of turns of wire. This, when the current is start moving through it, the magnetic field is set up and move from one end to the another end in this one shape. Diagrammatical representation of this one like this. This is my iron nail. As I switched on the current start moving through this one wire. Magnetic field is set up, and this part of iron nail becomes the north pole, and this one magnetic south pole. So magnetic field lines will pass through around this one iron nail. Okay, so let's see that it becomes a magnet. Look at this. As I switched on, and this one. Yes. So when I look at this, this iron nail now becomes a piece of magnet. Iron piece now becomes a piece of magnet, and its one end now behave as a magnetic north, another end behave as magnetic north and south. Yes. You can see now both ends shows that this iron piece now becomes a piece of magnet. One end becomes north pole, another end becomes a south pole. Now, this iron nail will behave as a magnet as long as current is flowing through it. If the current is switched off, if the supply of current is switched off, then this iron nail becomes a demagnet. And let's see. Now you have understand that the current, as long as the current supply is there in this electromagnet, okay, this becomes a magnet. Okay, so this is my activity for electromagnet. Thank you for joining this one.